And then next is your nombre del padre, which is the name of your dad. If your dad is not in the picture at all, then you can just put NA, or you can just keep it blank. And then for your mom's name, yung nombre de la madre, pwede mo dyan ilagay. And same case then, if your mom's out of the picture, you can just leave this blank or just put N-A there. And then, for domicilio de residencia, so yan yung address mo dito sa Pilipinas. So, how they usually write the address is yung domicilio de residencia is yung parang full address mo, full street address. And then, N is your numero, which is yung number ng address mo. And yung piso is usually yan kung, for example, like, you are not the first door, so like 1D, kung duplex kayo, ganyan. Pero I wouldn't say this to be that, like, difficult. You can put on ChatGPT actually yung address mo and tell it to categorize it in Spanish, like domicilio format. And then, of course, ang next dito is yung lokalidad, which is basically yung city mo or municipality. Postal code, kung ano man yung postal code mo sa address mo sa Philippines, and province. Yan yung province. And then, lastly is yung telephone number and yung email. Make sure na yung email na ilalagay mo is yung email na ginamit mo to email them for an NIE appointment para dun din nila ibabalik yung NIE number mo. So, ito naman yung sa pinakadulo, yung representante legal and sukaso. Hindi mo yan kailangan fill upan since ikaw naman yung magpapakita doon sa NIE appointment mo. So, no worries about that. And then, of course, yung number 2, hindi mo rin yan kailangan fill upan. And same with number 3. Just because number 3 is kind of a given na since yung NIE, i-apply mo sa consulate, electronic notification talaga siya. So, makikita mo din na pag nag-scroll down ka, here, may kita mo na parang meron ditong checkbox. So, don't also check that box. Just leave it blank. Because parang ano na yan, like, given na electronic notification ka talaga nila ino-notify for your NIE. So, that's just something na hindi applicable if sa consulate ka nag-a-apply for your NIE.